Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Assetto Corsa Ultimate Edition. First, ensure the game and all its content are fully installed. Next, connect your racing wheel or controller. Take a moment to adjust your graphics settings for the best visual experience and smooth gameplay. Finally, calibrate your steering wheel and pedals within the game's control options for precise input. Now, let's get you on the track. From the main menu, pick a car you like and a track you want to drive. Start with a quick race or a practice session to get comfortable. Focus on the fundamental controls: throttle, brake, and steering. Remember, smooth inputs are key to maintaining control, and try to find the optimal racing line for faster laps. Once you're comfortable, dive into the advanced settings. Experiment with car setup options such as tire pressure, suspension, and gear ratios to fine-tune your vehicle. Adjust driving assists like ABS and traction control to suit your evolving skill. For even more content, explore community-made mods, but always remember to back up your game files first. To truly master Assetto Corsa, consistent practice is essential. Drive on various tracks and with different cars to broaden your skills. Watch your replays to identify areas for improvement, like braking points or cornering speed. Join online races to test your abilities against others, and don't hesitate to learn from faster drivers and community tutorials. Enjoy the journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.